Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a subscription in Stripe. So let's get started. First, you will find yourself at the Stripe homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to the second tab, which says Payments. Once you click on Payments, you will see that there is this subscriptions box here. So you want to click on the subscriptions, and here you can see that I don't have any current subscriptions right now, but you can just click a create a subscription button right here. So once you click this button, you're going to see this page. First thing, you want to choose a customer. You can either choose from an existing customer or you can create a new customer. If you click this button, add new customer. So I'm just going to choose an existing customer right here. And then the second thing is you want to choose what kind of products you want to sell them. You're either choosing an existing product that you have, or once again, you are adding a new product. I'm going to choose an existing product. How much of the quantity you're selling. So in this case, I'm just going to use it as 1. And then here is your subscription schedule. So you can set your start date and your end date if you have one, or it just keeps going on until they cancel. Then you can also decide when you want to start the billing cycle on, and if you have any free trial days for your customer. Lastly here, you can choose a payment method. You can either automatically charge a payment method on file, or you can email the invoice to the customer to pay manually. So this is how you create a subscription in Stripe. If this video was helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.